That parrot's name is Toby. Adios, amigo. Out with some reggae music, smoke a little weed. This is the place to come right here, Shantytown. Hola amigos, buenos dias. I got in the rocket ship this morning and rode down here to Palancar. Actually, I'm driving all the way around the whole island this morning. And if you want to drive around the island, make sure you go counterclockwise. That way the ocean is on your side of the road. But so far, I got to this place. I had to get away because they had music. But this is actually a pretty cool little beach club. It has chairs and all that. It don't have an admission, but you got to spend $10 in drinks. So if everywhere is like that, by the time I make it to the other side of the island, it might not be a video. But anyway, we will see. But this is actually a really, really nice beach. And if you go snorkeling, see all the boats out here? All these are your snorkeling guides here. So this is a big, real famous reef here. And there's another island out there, it's called Cielo. So I'll probably take one of these guides and do some snorkeling. But this sand, look at the sand. It's a pretty cool beach. So anyway, if you're coming around the island, this is a must stop. So you definitely got to stop here. It's probably one of the most famous places on the island. Right beside here, this is the beach club. Right beside here, another little shack is the divers. You got divers and the snorkeling tour right here. So here their tour is an hour and a half long, and it is what did he say, it was $30 for their snorkeling tour. So it's not real long tour, and it was 30 bucks. The other guys in town were like $40, and it's like 3.5 to 4 hours, but they got to drive a long ways by water to get here. So I don't know, if you want to spend all day, you probably want to go from town. And the guys from town also have all the beer and alcohol you can drink. I think it was 50 bucks for the catamaran, which I might even do that. I thought that would be pretty cool. It's like 4 to 6 hours on the catamaran. But this is the name of the dive club. I'm not even gonna say it. Dive shop. That's their dive shop right here. And if you go on a snorkeling trip, the snorkel boats bring everybody here, and then they drop off and they have a few drinks, and then they keep going. So let's go have us a mojito and spend that $10 and get on the ride. Takes me, but this is called Punta Sur. It was the next stop, and since I've been in Mexico, these are the biggest waves I have seen yet. I mean, this is huge. That's got to be a, gosh, I don't know, probably 7, 8 foot swell. Absolutely beautiful. So it's a little small village here, Shantytown, and then there's an eco park right beside here. Looks like they got crocodiles here. Shantytown. Not sure what this is, but this is like a Bob Marley shop. So if you want to come and hang out with some reggae music, smoke a little weed, this is the place to come right here, Shantytown. Pretty cool stop. Wasn't expecting it, but let's see what else we can find. Find something good to eat. I'm gonna follow this road and see where it takes me. I'm guessing it takes me to a point. But oh, my top's falling off the car. That's all right. Look at this old girl. What? How come everybody don't want to get in there with me? All right, y'all, right past the Shantytown is another cool spot. Best mojito ever, made from the coconuts. So he's got some music up there. I really can't show much, but this place is cool too. So I'm gonna get me a mojito, ride around with a mojito and a coconut. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. That is, never really had a mojito before. First one. Now the rest of them probably gonna taste awful. Let's get back in the rocket ship. I might not make it to the other side of the island. All right guys, out here, right past the mojito place. I'm doing this with my cell phone. Right past the mojito place is like this rock coral that runs up and down the beach. You have to stop the car, walk across the road, or you won't see it. But let me just show you, if the surf is up, it is absolutely awesome to see. But you gotta watch your step, there's holes everywhere. Absolutely incredible. And you catch a big wave, it'll come through these holes in very cool to see. So, past the mojito place, stop right here and check out the surf. If the surf is up, it's well worth it. Awesome trip. Definitely get a car, ride around the island. All right guys, I pulled in the next stop and geez, they were on my ass. Holy mackerel. All these guys right here selling stuff. So anyway, looks like it's a little cool place to eat right here. So if you're hungry, I'm gonna keep riding down the road. Damn, is that a bird? I think that's a parrot. Surely that's not a real parrot sitting there. It looks real. That's a real parrot. Are you kidding me? No. Now that's cool. Hey boy, what are you doing there? Is this your home? Is this your home? Looks like you want to bite me. I am friend of parrot. Huh. But look at this beach. This is why I stopped. This is absolutely awesome to see. Absolutely awesome to see. But just this site right here is awesome. And come visit the parrot. I don't know what his name is. They're hollering at me now. See that? Hey! Let me go! No, I'm okay. I know it, I'm okay. Thank you. He's on my ass. Anyway, come see the parrot. That parrot's name is Toby. Adios, amigo. All right, y'all, next stop, actually it's pretty unique. I don't know why somebody wouldn't use this. They would use them little sheds out down the road, but not this place. Maybe if somebody owns it and don't want nobody to use it. Those up there is not really a good sign. I don't know why all this graffiti, but let's just check it out. It looks like a cool place. It's like something you'd see in a deserted movie or something. Oh my gosh, it got ravaged by a hurricane or something. Wow. Wow. At one time it was a cool place. I can imagine when this grass is not here, this place just being absolutely amazing. It looks like it's done got undermined so bad that they probably just don't want to use it. That was the kitchen there. I mean, I can imagine this place just being awesome at one time. There's somebody on a surfboard out here. He's catching the waves, doing it right. Two people, there's another surfboard. All right, just stopped at a place called Coconuts. We'll go check it out. Coconuts, welcome. It's way up on top of a hill. It's probably, I would say it's probably one of the highest places on the island. Pretty cool spot. Actually, this beach right here, I can imagine this beach right here at Coconuts being absolutely awesome when there's no grass and the surf is a little less. I mean, the water is still clear. I can see the bottom all in here. So, so far I like Coconuts. Let's see what they got to offer. What happens in Coconuts stays in Coconuts. Huh. Take me drunk, I'm home. This must be a place for drinking. I was thinking this was the eating place. Let's see. Our straws like the real thing, not plastic. Made from agave plant. Very nice. If you have a reservation, you're in the wrong place. Hey, I like that. I am definitely not a reservation person. All right, check out Coconuts. The song is over, but look at all these shirts up here. Obviously, this is a cool place to come in the evening.
Getting, extra attention from TikTok, and so I'm
Boobies
assuming that's
make me
probably the main
smile.
reason his catalog sales are going up. He is going back out on the road and stuff this year, but it's so
Cool.
funny, the power of these social media sites. So let's see, I'm going to do Bad Moon Rising right now. That's sitting at number 8.
Let's find us a table
Is number 9.
and get something, maybe get us a beer. Jeez. I can just imagine when I was 20 years old standing up here getting drunk and falling off. And then coming back and doing it again. Check him out. He must be the mascot. Hey boy, Tequila. His name is Tequila and he loves to bite. Tequila, come on down here and bite me. Come on. Come on. All right, y'all. Actually pretty good. They play classic rock music here. I didn't really show the food, but mojitos are delicious. And they brought this thing right here. I thought that was pretty awesome. He walks around making them. Anyway, come to Coconuts. You'll enjoy it. Let's see where the road takes us next. But the place you sit at, you just can't beat it. And then you got Tequila up here.
An awful feeling. But his daughter Jessica, she's part of the U.S. Olympic equestrian team.
And he does bite.
Very, very cool.
Let's see where the road takes us. All right, guys, this is the end of the road for this trip. Well, not really the end of the road, but the last end of the beach road here. I'll hang you out the window.